Hello. In this video, we will be discussing Deferred Revenue Reclassification Report in NetSuite. To view the Deferred Revenue Reclassification Report, log into NetSuite, select Reports, Revenue, Deferred Revenue Reclassification. To create the report, in the lower left corner of the page, select the period in the Date box and the correct date in the As Of box. If using OneWorld, select a value in the Subsidiary context box. You can expand and set additional filters by selecting More. For this report, select a value in the Accounting Book filter if you are using multi-book accounting and have access to multiple accounting books. Click Refresh to apply filters. Audit the reclassification activities shown in the Deferred Revenue Reclassification Activity Report. Provide detailed information about how the reclassification journal entry amounts are calculated for each order line, and forecast the recognition periods for current outstanding deferred revenue balances are all items this report can provide. When you run this report, NetSuite stores a snapshot of the values in the accounts. You must run the reclassification process before you run the report to get the latest status for the period. Customer, revenue arrangement, and individual revenue element are the grouped results of this report. Each revenue arrangement includes at least one unbilled receivable adjustment row when the accounting preference unbilled receivable adjustment journal grouping is not set to element. This report includes the following columns: line number, currency, total amount transaction currency, which is the total amount for the line from sales order and transaction currency, total revenue allocation amount, transaction currency, gross cumulative billing amount, transaction currency, which is the total cumulative amount billed including gross amount, carve-in out amount, and effective amount in transaction currency. Carve-out amount, transaction currency, is deferred revenue amount required to reduce the gross cumulative billing amount to the effective cumulative billing amount in transaction currency. Carve-in amount, transaction currency, is deferred revenue amount required to increase the gross cumulative billing amount to the effective cumulative billing amount in transaction currency. Effective cumulative billing amount, transaction currency, is the total billing amount plus the carve-in, carve-out amount in transaction currency. Gross cumulative billing amount, base currency, is the total cumulative amount billed including gross amount, carve-in, out amount, and effective amount in base currency. Carve-out amount, base currency, is the deferred revenue amount required to reduce the gross cumulative billing amount to the effective cumulative billing amount in base currency. Carve-in amount, base currency, is the deferred revenue amount required to increase the gross cumulative billing amount to the effective cumulative billing amount in base currency. Effective cumulative billing amount, base currency, is the total billing amount plus carve-in, carve-out amount in base currency. Average billing FX rate, effective cumulative billing amount, base currency, effective cumulative billing amount, transaction currency. Current period deferred revenue adjustment, base currency, is the amount posted by the carve-in, carve-out calculation in this period to reach the effective cumulative billing amount. Deferred revenue account, cumulative RevRec amount, transaction currency, cumulative RevRec amount before FX adjustment, base currency. Average RevRec rate is the cumulative revenue recognition amount before FX adjustment, base currency, cumulative revenue recognition amount, transaction currency. If there are no revenue recognition amounts, the exchange rate for the revenue element is used. Overlapping amount, transaction currency, cumulative gain/loss, current period FX adjustment, cumulative RevRec amount after FX adjustment, base currency, revenue account. Unbilled receivable group is populated only when the corresponding field on the revenue element contains value. Cumulative unbilled receivable amount, transaction currency, and cumulative unbilled receivable amount, base currency. Thank you for watching. If you have further questions, you may email NetSuite at a2q2.com. Thank you.